Available with a tap wheel straight head or a tap wheel pattern head, the pistol grip handle is a great choice for a wide variety of users. The pistol grip has been a long-time favorite of the art class teacher. Students of all ages quickly adapt to this easy-to-hold handle. With a tap wheel, this handle style is a good choice for students or professionals. To get the pistol grip ready to use, you will add a small amount of cutting oil. Adding more oil than needed will hinder the flow and is not helpful. You will remove the fill screw and add 1 syringe full of the oil. After adding the oil, replace the screw until it is closed and then loosen the screw 1/2 turn. Loosening the fill screw before using the pistol grip is very important. All self-oiling Toyo handles have a special fill screw with a flat spot. When you open the fill screw 1/2 turn before using the pistol grip, the flat spot will allow air to flow into the handle. After adding the oil, you will force the oil into the head by a simple priming technique. Using a small piece of paper or cardboard, start the process by opening the fill screw and pumping the head up and down on the cardboard while rolling the wheel back and forth. You can also use this method to routinely check the cutter before using. All Toyo cutter heads swivel. The swivel action is like the front wheel of a shopping cart. Watch how this office chair wheel always turns and follows. This following action can be controlled on this wheel or your Toyo cutter head by simply leaning the pivot or the glass cutter handle back. With the pivot leaned back, the wheel can be pulled or pushed with much greater control. If you are wondering why a swiveling cutter head is important, it will protect the wheel and it will smooth out our little hand wiggles and jerks as we score down the straight edge or follow a pattern line in freehand scoring. It is very important that you do not tilt the cutter head to the left or right during the score. A common error is to confuse scoring down a straight edge with drawing a line down a ruler with a pencil. Remember, no tilting left or right. Now just start on the glass edge, lean the handle back, and make your score. Scoring next to a straight edge can be done with the pattern head or the larger straight head. Let's stress again, with either head, it is very important not to tilt the cutter head to the right or left. The straight head is generally felt to be the better choice for strip cutting against a straight edge guide. The pattern head will be easier to use in freehand cutting. A successful breakout will start with a quality score. With your cutter oiling correctly and a little practice time, the breakout can be as straightforward for you as it is in this demonstration. For freehand scoring, the pattern head is preferred by most users. Because you will often be following a pattern line, many users choose to push rather than pull the glass cutter. Remember, when you are pushing or pulling, the trick is to lean the cutter back as you score to control the cutter head. A good scorer will have its reward in the breakout. If you learn to precisely follow the pattern line, you will also be rewarded with little or no glass grinding.